Hey guys, this is a call about a water leak, but I think this is a Duquesne, and if I'm not mistaken, that may be a Lennox product. I'm not real sure. I bought it at United Refrigeration years ago, and man, it's been a long time. But let's see if there's anything else wrong. Here we go. Those things are junk. Worthless. Yep, it's backed up. Yep, it sure is backed up.
It's like backed up.
Yeah, I want to recommend this right here is supposed to prevent any water damage, and apparently it ain't working. So I'd like to replace that with something that's a lot more dependable. So that right there is not doing its job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that right there, when it senses water in it, it's supposed to shut the outdoor unit off. But it's not doing it.
It's been doing that for a while, hasn't it? It's probably rusty up there.
Oh, the right here is your drain pan, and it's nearly full.
Oh, okay.
So the rust is normal because all of this produces water. It has condensation on it when it's running and cool.
Right.
But I do see some algae in this pan, and I can treat that and replace that switch. That'll help. Right now I'm gonna go vacuum it out. All right, out here it looks like they got a 1/2-inch drain. I don't remember that, but let's see if we can get some kind of seal on it and pull a vacuum. I'm still getting water out. see if we did anything. I actually got very little. Let me see if I can blow that. I was vacuuming on it and it didn't clear it. Ooh. Yeah, that needs to be changed. Ooh, it is not glued. Ooh, I should have had my vacuum. This right here is still holding water. All right, let's see if we can't blow this out. Looks like all of this was glued. Did no good though, did it? There's where my 1/2 inch starts. Is that a new one?
What, filter?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Blowing this out, I got a little bit of water on your floor right
Well,
here.
it doesn't matter. It's a lot of it been looking in there for a while, looks like. Doesn't matter.
Still got a little bit of glue in there. All right, let's go get him some algae tablets and a price on doing that switch. Every time I open it up, I breathe in some of that nasty dust. This right here is a wireless relay. It didn't have enough thermostat wires for a heat pump, so we hooked this up, and there's a relay outside in the box. Looks like it's draining today. Water is draining down. All right. Let me see, do I have any wire nuts in here? I got one. This little thing that I'm putting in, that was some kind of water sensor, and I've never known those to do well. And so we're going to put something in that is much more reliable. Now you see, when that fills up with water, it'll shut it off. Oh. And that drain has to overflow for that to happen.
Okay.
I don't mean to shine that light in your eyes.
Well, it's okay. It's okay. So when that stops the unit from working, if it overflows.
Yes, sir. And it has a top in it that you can pull out and look. And if that thing's full of water, you know what it is.
Mm. And then you got to get somebody to come and clean it out.
Clean it out, yes, sir. But it'll prevent this water damage.
Yeah.
All right, let me. Has it been cooling okay?
Yeah, it's been cooling well. No problem there.
Well, that's good. All right, so we're doing away with that.
Do you work in Lee County too?
Oh, yes, sir. That's basically where I work, Lee County and Doherty County.
Yes,
That's where the vast majority of my work is.
Well, she live in Lee County, and she's gone wrong with her air condition, and it's an older unit. and she wants somebody to check and see if it's repairable easy or you need replacing.
Well, give her my number.
All right.
Right, there's one of them. And there's the other one. All right. How long ago has it been this was installed?
Oh, it's
Been about 8-9 years, hasn't
yeah,
it?
close to it, yeah. Yeah, you put that thing in for me. It's been a while. It was before my wife passed. She passed in 5 years ago. Now in 17, it was done before that.
And this is one of the first ones I've done. I've learned a lot since then. Once we get this hooked up and put back together, I want to check pressures on it outside.
Okay.
Turn it on, make sure there ain't nothing else wrong.
Okay.
Especially if it is about to go out of warranty. Let's check everything while I'm here. All right, so it's 81 degrees in there. Right now, I just want to make sure it's not freezing up. I can tell there's been ice on it. I think that right there makes me think there's been ice. The insulation is wet in places. Come on. That ain't bad. Let's check superheat and subcooler. Ain't no way. I got to peel some of that back. Subcooling's pretty good. Superheat's a little bit high. Saturation temperature is 48 degrees. I guess the superheat would be high if it's 81 degrees in there. This is where the other piece of that wireless relay is hooked up. I think the charge is good. We're gonna leave it alone. I was gonna offer to replace that whole drain line until I saw the low crawl space. If it continues to give him troubles, this is the first time in what, 8-9 years, so if it gives him more trouble, then we'll do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.